Hi everyone, it's Monica with American English with Monica. I am so glad you're here. I love making these videos for you. I'm really glad they're helping. Every time someone comments or asks a question, it makes me so happy. So if these videos are helpful, please like it, thumbs up, subscribe, share, tell your friends and colleagues about my teaching. That would be awesome because the more people I can help, the better. So, this is a weekly video series about phrasal verbs. And if you missed any lessons in the past, just go back and watch them, okay? These are all really important phrasal verbs that I'm teaching to help you with your business, your school, your career, or your personal life for English, okay? Let's get started. Today's phrasal verb has six different meanings. Yeah. I'll tell you, I was thinking about all these definitions, and I was thinking maybe I should only teach you like 3 or 4 for the video, but all 6 definitions are common. They're really important, so I'm going to show you all of them today. Okay, so take notes. Ready? I'll start with the 3 that you can't separate. If you've seen other videos, you know phrasal verbs sometimes allow you to separate them and sometimes they don't. So the first 3 definitions we don't separate. Check out. Okay, ready? Okay, the first one is to leave, to pay when you're done at a hotel. You're done staying at the hotel, it's time to leave, you need to pay, you need to check out. The other place we use this for the same reason when you need to pay before you leave is a grocery store. You have a lot of food in your basket and you want to leave, you need to pay first. So if you check out of a hotel or check out of a grocery store, you need to pay before leaving. And hotel and grocery store are the 2 most common places that we're going to use the phrasal verb check out. To pay before leaving, hotel, or a market, a supermarket, grocery store, okay? The second definition I want to share with you that you cannot separate if something is checked out, it means it seems to be true. It seems to be true, okay? His stories about why he's always late did not check out. They don't seem to be true. Her explanation on why something happened checks out. It seems to be true. So, to seem to be true. I do want you to know this definition because we use it a lot. I teach business English. So if something checks out, it feels true after you've given it some thought. It's to be expected, okay? The third definition I want to share with you for check out that can't be separated is if you stop paying attention. Has anyone checked out during this video? Maybe. They might be boring. But if you're learning English, I really hope you watch the whole video and I hope you don't check out. So if you stop paying attention. Now this is sometimes happens at work. If you have your mind on your vacation or your girlfriend, or you are thinking about getting a new job, maybe you've checked out at work. You've stopped paying attention. Mentally, you're just not thinking about the present moment. And this is a problem. So if your boss says, seems like you've been checking out recently, they mean it seems like you're not giving your focus, your attention on your work. Okay? We all do it. Sometimes I check out. Sometimes I check out when I'm supposed to be learning something new. My brain just stops listening. It happens. All right. The next 3 meanings of checkout are examples where you can separate them. Okay? So let me just make a line. The first 3 you can't separate, And the next three you can. So if you, one of the most common ways that we say to check out something is when we want you to look at something. Check out my new water bottle. Check out the new phone. I want to look into it before I buy it. I want to research it. I want to take notice. I hope you check out all of my YouTube videos. I want you to look at them, right? So to look at or to take notice. And you can separate them to take notice. So check my videos out. They might be helpful. Okay? So if I want you to check out something or check something out, you can separate it. All right? Now, what if it's someone? If it's a person? Ooh, this meaning means you are interested and you're looking at someone in a sexual way, right? You think they're really handsome. You think they're really attractive. They're really pretty. You're checking them out. You can separate this. So to look at someone with sexual interest. To look at a person with sexual interest. Now, you probably won't say this at work, although some people do meet their boyfriend or girlfriend at work. So maybe they checked out a person. But I still think it's important to know all of these meanings. And the last one is to borrow. To borrow books from a library. You have to check the books out. To borrow. We usually use it with library books, so I'm going to actually put it in the definition. There are other times that we check out something that we're borrowing, but library books is the most common. Okay, you did it. You got through 6 meanings. I know it's a lot, but you can always watch this video again with the captions. You can pause, you can take notes, and every 10 weeks, I am putting together a study guide for you. Yeah. So I started this series at the beginning of 2023, and on week 10, I made a PDF, a summary of all of the phrasal verbs that we've reviewed. And you can go back to week 10, and in the description, there's a link you can click on to get the study guide. So I'll do it again for week 20, and all of the meanings for check out will be on there. But it's important to watch the videos too, because the study guide is just a brief summary where the videos have more examples and some bonus phrases sometimes. Okay? So in the comments this week, give me an example of a time where you have checked out mentally. You stopped paying attention. And also, I'd love to hear an example of something that you have checked out before buying. Maybe you researched something or looked at something closely before making a decision. Those are 2 common phrases. So thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe and like and share. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you next week. Bye.